Hello fellow knowledge seekers. In today's video, we will talk about data science. Before we jump into topic, first let us understand what data is in this context. Data here is all the information collected by a company or software for reference or analysis to topics relevant to the respective company. I know that is a vague definition. Let me give an example. Let us suppose you logged into Amazon or Flipkart planning to buy or check out a newly launched phone and log out without buying the phone. Later, when you open Facebook to see for any updates, you will see in one of the advertisement panels the same phone which you are looking for appearing there. How does this happen? Is it just coincidence? These suggestions are made by software algorithms written based on the data collected by the above companies. This is how data science works. What is data science? Data science is the process of using unstructured or structured data collected usually in immeasurable quantities and using them to scientifically and logically in extracting knowledge and insights for making better business decisions. Let us get into some more details. Google, YouTube, Amazon, Flipkart, Apple, Uber, Swiggy and many such companies use data science for better usage of their logistics, for saving money, time and provide better services according to the needs of their customers. Let us see what is the process involved in this with an example. Let us check how YouTube places ads on its video and how it determines what ads to be displayed and how to charge for it. Let us say Amazon wants to sell shoes and is trying to place ads on YouTube. Amazon wants its ads to show up only for its potential customers so that it does not randomly show up on everyone's YouTube and has to pay for all the instances. So it is YouTube's responsibility to find out potential customers for Amazon. How does YouTube determine this? Also, an ad when placed on a smaller channel or a channel with less viewership, the price paid for the ad to YouTube is lesser than when compared to ads placed on a big channel with a lot of viewership. Here the process of data science comes in handy. YouTube collects data of its users based on liked videos or genre of frequently watched videos. YouTube also uses the data collected based on search histories on Google and Amazon, whether a particular user had shown interest in shoes or related items like socks, sports, running, fitness, etc. YouTube then uses all this available information to determine if this particular user is potential customer and decides to place the ad. What are the different fields or verticals where data science is used? In today's world, with all the data being pumped into the internet by all types of users, data science plays a very important role in helping these companies utilize them for earning better profits while providing better services to its customers. Taxi services like Uber use data science in showing available rides, estimated times of arrivals, pricing during peak hours, determining traffic congestions and suggesting alternate routes. Google Map uses it to determine the easiest possible or fastest possible routes in reaching destinations. Food delivery services use in suggesting nearby hotels, discounts provided and ratings based on other customers. Sites like Netflix and Amazon Prime use data science in recommending movies to their users. Data science is also largely used in the medical field. Doctors use it to detect life-threatening diseases more accurately, especially at the earlier stages, which are usually hard to detect otherwise. The list goes on. Data science is now being used in almost all fields and hence the need for data scientist. Yes, you heard it right. A scientist. A data scientist is now one of the most sought after and promising jobs all over the world. It would make a great career choice. Hope today's video gave you a basic understanding of what data science is. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe, like and share the videos.